Welcome to this explainer. Look, if you're a parent, you already know the deal. A bank holiday weekend is either going to be this magical, core memory building experience or an absolute logistical nightmare. There's really no in between. So today, we're taking the guesswork out of it. We've mapped out a totally stress-free, ready-made late May bank holiday weekend for you and the kids right in Wimborne. We've pulled together the best local data and event info to build you a completely foolproof itinerary.
So the million-dollar question, how do you actually entertain the kids all weekend without completely losing your mind? Well, the secret isn't just frantically finding random things to do. It's about finding the exact right combination of activities to balance those wild energy levels, all while keeping the actual logistics totally manageable for us adults. Here is our roadmap for the weekend. We'll start with a general overview of our Wimborne family weekend, then dive into some miniature magic at the model town. After that, we'll look at some hands-on local history, get ready for some bank holiday bouncy fun, and wrap it all up with stress-free transport and parking. Part 1, a Wimborne family weekend. You know, a successful family getaway is literally all about pacing. Our setup here perfectly balances high-energy play with a bit of quiet, interactive learning, so everyone actually goes home happy. By scheduling the chill, self-paced exploratory stuff for Saturday and Sunday and saving the massive, explosive energy burners for Monday, we completely bypass that dreaded Sunday evening meltdown. Part 2, miniature magic at the model town.
Kicking things off, Wimborne Model Town is this absolutely fantastic outdoor attraction. And check this out. On the 23rd and 24th of May, they're hosting their special Bear Weekend. It's just a brilliant, whimsical way to ease into the long weekend. The kids get to run around and explore these tiny miniature streets, which honestly makes for a perfect, gentle walking activity, especially if you just had a long, cramped drive into Dorset.
Part 3, hands-on local history. This is where that perfect weekend balance comes in. We're weighing Saturday's outdoor miniature exploration against Sunday's interactive museum activities. Now, when I say museum, don't worry. The Museum of East Dorset is definitely not just about staring at dusty artifacts behind glass. They've got these incredible hands-on history resources, things like magnifying glasses, I Spy games, and interactive trails. The kids can actually dress up as Victorians or go hunting through the garden for pixie doors. It's super hands-on, which means they're learning, sure, but more importantly, they're burning off a totally different kind of mental energy. And here is a real game changer. The museum completely eliminates that heavy parental cognitive load by offering these incredible free family facilities. We're talking free nappies and wipes, ear defenders, booster steps, buggy parking, free tap water refills, high chairs, accessible toilets. They've literally thought of everything. That means you don't have to pack your day bag like you're heading out on a 3-day survival expedition. You can actually just breathe and relax knowing the venue has your back.
Part 4, Bank Holiday Bouncy Fun.
All right, it's Bank Holiday Monday, time for the massive Kids Fest at the Hamworthy Club. What's brilliant about the Bouncy Fun Family Festival is that it's cleverly broken down into strict 2-hour windows. You've got 10 a.m., 12:30 p.m., and 3 p.m. This is an absolute lifesaver for planning around nap times or lunch. You don't have to commit to an exhausting all-day marathon. Just pick your slot, morning, midday, or late afternoon, and you're guaranteed 2 hours of non-stop, high-octane fun.
Now, a super important note on safety. There is a strict maximum height of 149 centimeters and a maximum age of 11 years for anyone going on the inflatables. And they enforce this, which is fantastic. It ensures the little ones aren't getting overwhelmed or accidentally knocked over by older teenagers. It makes the whole environment incredibly safe and stress-free if you've got kids in that primary school or toddler demographic. So let's break down the festival zones so you know exactly what you're walking into. First up, your ticket gets you unlimited access to over 9 different inflatables. We're talking giant slides and assault courses. If you've got really tiny ones, there is a dedicated toddler inflatable zone completely decked out with soft play and animal hoppers. Need a breather from bouncing? Go catch Crazy Kev's family comedy magic show, or head over to DJ Phil's party dances and the circus skills area where the kids can actually try spinning plates and juggling themselves. It is a seriously dense, high-value 2 hours. Part 5, stress-free transport and parking. Okay, let's talk logistics, because nothing ruins a family day out faster than trying to find a parking spot. For Monday's Kids Fest at the Hamworthy Club, you get free on-site parking. Huge win right there. But for Saturday and Sunday when you're exploring the town center, Skip the stress of central parking entirely. Head to Meadows Campsite, right off the A31. They offer all-day parking for just £5, which is a total steal. And from there, you can take a quick shuttle bus or just enjoy a short walk right into town.
Or, you know what, if you just want to skip driving altogether, there's a fantastic public transit option. If you're coming in by train, the Moore bus, directly from Poole Station, gives you a really frequent, easy connection right into Wimborne. It completely removes the headache of navigating unfamiliar roads with impatient kids asking, "Are we there yet?" in the back seat. I want to leave you with this really wonderful thought straight from the Kids Fest organizers. They specifically laid the event out in a large oval so that parents can relax in the sun watching their children play from all angles. And honestly, that sums up this whole itinerary perfectly. By balancing the engaging history and miniature towns over the weekend, and then letting them completely loose in a safe, contained festival on Monday, you actually get a break too. So I have to ask, isn't it about time you planned a family weekend that actually gives you a chance to catch your breath? Thanks for hanging out with me for this explainer, and have an absolutely brilliant time in Wimborne.